subscribe and ring the bell. Ding ding. ดีค่ะ Hi, welcome back to Learn Thai with Kruu channel. This is Thai language class for real beginners. We are in lesson 9 already. That is in book 2. Someone who just found this video, go to download the book first. The previous video, we talking about the number. That is lesson 9.1. I supposed to make another 2 video, but I realized that the harmony, which is ki in Thai, always need a classifier. So lesson 9.2, it will be the question word how many and the classifier, because in Thai, whenever you use how many, you need a classifier as well. Okay, let's continue. Book 2. Last time we learned up to page 15. Now, can you please open page 16? What is the classifier? It's like a bar of soap, a glass of water, a sheet of paper, a head of onion. That is we call classifier. Where to put it in the sentence?
In English, the number is always in front of noun. In Thai, it's different. Noun first, number, and then classifier. 2 books is will be หนังสือ 2 เล่ม Remember that in Thai, number come after the noun and classifier.
Classifier always placed after the number. If you would like to say 2 students in Thai, student have to come first. นักศึกษา is student, and number 2 is 2, and then classifier of the person is คน whatever you're talking about, doctor, nurse, accountant, worker, vendor, classifier is คน which is mean people. Okay, so I tell you this. The patterns, you have to say the noun first and number, and then classifier. Example, 2 students. You have to say the noun first. Student is นักศึกษา นักศึกษา Number 2 is 2, and classifier of person is คน นักศึกษา 2 คน For teachers, teacher in this case, I use อาจารย์ because teaching in the universities, they call teacher อาจารย์ not ครูลองฟังจารย์ Number 4 is C. Classifier. Still คน อาจารย์ 4 คน Talking about Coca-Cola. In Thai, we will not call Coca-Cola. We just call Coke. No, we not pronounce Coke. We pronounce Coke, high tone. Coke. Coke. How many? 2. 2. Bottle is ขวด Coke 2 ขวด 3 pens. Pen in Thai is ปากกา monotone ปากกา flat. Number three is สาม rising สาม classifier of pen I have in the bracket down, that is formal, something in small items. You can use the word and can be many things like ปากกาหนึ่งอัน this small item หนึ่งอันสองอัน okay so ปากกาสาม I give you the common use is an classifier for ปากกาปากกาสามอัน last one book 5 books book in Thai is หนังสือ number 5 is ห้า high falling tone หนังสือห้าเล่ม this is the classifier for the book and magazine หนังสือห้าเล่ม that is the patterns when to put classifier in the sentence. Remember that classifier is always follow the number. Okay, whenever you have the number, you need classifier. Alright, I will recommend you for the common use of classifier. Can you please pronounce after me? Follow the book page 16. Classifier for the people we use code. Whatever career, engineer, doctor, driver, housekeeper, hairdresser, use classifier code. Number 2, pronounce ตัว Do you know ตัว What does it mean? ตัว is the body. ตัว means body. So we will use ตัว for an animal. Example, 2 dogs. หมาสองตัว Something like have 4 legs. Table, chair. That is furniture, right? But it's have 4 legs. So classifier of the table is ตัว Classifier for the chair is ตัว Dress, blouse, shirt, trousers, skirt. Those classifier ตัว Letter of the alphabet. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ตัว The classifier for the letters of alphabet. Cigarette. Yes, the cigarette that you smoke. If not in a pack, 1 cigarette. บุหรี่1ตัว Next one, number 3. Classifier เล่ม Pronounce high falling tone. เล่ม That is for the book, notebook, magazine. Knife, needle, candle, the same. Knife, candle, needle. I tell you that for small item, if you can't remember, you can use and. That is number 4. Pronounce short vowel and small item like comb, spoon, fork, pen, pencil, piece of candy. Small item, you can use classifier and pen and pencil. I have the star for you. It's have their own classifier, but in a common top, we can use and. What else? Ashtray. Round object like this one. You can use an or an object with unknown classifier. We use the word. Next one, number 5, pronounce by. We use classifier by for empty container like glasses, cup, plate, boxes, bottle, bag. Also eggs, sheet of paper, ticket, that we use the word by. Number 6, Lu is high falling tone. Lu. Lu is used for the ball, mountain, flute, or something round shape like football, basketball, tennis. That is classifier Lu. Literally, Lu is mean child or children in the context that you're talking about something round shape or the product of the three. If number is concerned, we use classifier Lu. 7, pronounce KRU with the line ANG, pronounce high falling tone. เครื่อง เครื่อง is machine. Literally, it's mean machine. So we will use for a classifier of an electric appliance like radio, TV, refrigerator, computer, mobile phone, electrical, mechanical machine. Those we use the word clear. Number 8, can. Can, if it's a word, means itchy. When you scratch because you itchy, that is can. Number 8, we use can for a classifier of a car, motorcycle, bicycle, spoons, forks, umbrella, fishing rods, spoon, fork, umbrella. You can use an, but you cannot use an for the bicycle or motorcycle or car. Those you have to use can. Next one, number 9, high tone, pronounce ชิ้น ชิ้น, an object that we cut into small pieces. We will use the word ชิ้น, even if not cut, but it's small pieces for eat. That is ชิ้น, like cookies, fruit, which is cut into pieces, not the same like the whole fruit. In number 6, 1 apple, the whole fruit of durian, that is lu. 1 watermelon, that is lu. But if you cut into a small pieces, then we're gonna use ชิ้น. Number 10 is ครั้ง ครั้ง used for a classifier of the times. Less formal, you may hear the people use the word ที How many times you practice Thai for a week? คุณเรียนภาษาไทยกี่ครั้งต่อสัปดาห์ or คุณ practice ภาษาไทยกี่ครั้งต่อสัปดาห์ I've been to เชียงใหม่ for 2 times ฉันไปเชียงใหม่2 ทีแล้ว This T is a classifier of time as well. Next, 11, YANG, pronounce low tone. Yeah, yeah, yang is the classifier for things, kind of things, number of things. Example is different kind of things, various things, like you go shopping, you buy many things. How many things you buy? That's classifier. Yeah. 12, who, straight up, that is for a couple of people, a pair of things, like chopstick, classifier is who, a pair of things. Fork and spoon, we count 1 here, that is shoes, socks, glove, that pair. We use classifier who. 13, เรื่อง movie, story, talking topic. Classifier for the movie is เรื่อง like how many movies have you seen last night. 14, is falling tone. T, like ที่โรงเรียน that is mean at the school, but in this case you can use classifier T in a restaurant. Anything on the table. If you cannot remember the classifier of food that you order, for example, you order 2 fried rice with chicken. ข้าวผัดไก่ 2 tea. Use tea instead of จาน 2 plate of fried rice. That is, classifier can be จาน or tea. 2 Coca-Cola, please. Can use tea as well. Coca-Cola, 2 tea. How many person or how many seat? You can answer to them if you need 4. C, tea. ค่ะ for number of the person in the restaurant. We will use the word tea. If you ask for an ashtray in the restaurant, cannot use tea. You have to use an. But I don't think in Thailand they allow you to smoke in the restaurant. 15 is แก้ว แก้ว is mean glass. That is, you might know already. แก้ว is a classifier for beverage. If beverage is contained in the glasses. 16 pronounced ถ้วย is mean cup. As well is the classifier for the beverage which contained in the cup. ขวด classifier for the beverage which contained in the bottle. 18 จาน จาน is a classifier for all food that contained in the plate. 19 ก้อน ก้อน is for soap, about soap. Sugar, a scoop of sugar. 20 is dog. Dog is a classifier for flowers. Any kind of flowers we use dog. It comes from ดอกไม้ that is flowers. 21 is ชั้น ชั้น actually is means floor. If you count the building, how many floor? Grade or class in the school. Next, 22 is ห้อง ห้อง is the classifier for the rooms. So any kind of rooms classifier is ห้อง 23 is ชุด ชุด is for a set of anything, set of dresses, set of things, set of lunch box. Can call ชุด Number 24 สาย There are 2 meanings. สาย can be late for appointment. But in this case, สาย is mean while. This is สาย. สาย is used for the road, the street, the railway, canal as well. แม่น้ำ 1 สาย Okay. เจ้าพระยา is the combination of rivers. That is ปิง วัง ยม น่าน So แม่น้ำ that is the river. แม่น้ำ 4 สาย 4 rivers. รวมกัน is the combination เป็นแม่น้ำ เจ้าพระยา That is แม่น้ำปิง แม่น้ำวัง แม่น้ำยม แม่น้ำน่าน is 4 rivers. แม่น้ำ 4 สาย Railways รถไฟสายเหนือ Northern Railway รถไฟสายใต้ The Southern Railway. Number 25 is เรือน we use for classifier of watch, clock. That is เรือน. 26 หลัง is the classifier for house, buildings. 27 1, that is classifier for a day. Okay, I finished classifier for you. all the common classifier that we use in a daily talks. I think it's quite covered. Would you like to pronounce with me again? Okay, from number 1 is คน 2 ตัว number 3 เล่น number 4 อัน number 5 ใบ 6 ลูก 7 เครื่อง 8 คัน number 9 ชิ้น 10 ครั้ง for the time, 11 yeah, that is for various things, number 12 who, number 13 เรื่อง 14 tea, useful classifier in the restaurant, remember, number 15 แก้ว 16 ถ้วย 17 ขวด 18 จาน 19 ก้อน a group of sugar, a bar of soup, 20 for flowers, dog, 21 for floor in the building, ชั้น 22 ห้อง for the room, actually ห้อง is mean room, 23 ชุด, a set of dress and can be a set of condominium, 24 สาย for road, street, river, canal, 25 เรือน 26 หลัง 27 one. Okay, how to use it? Can you open the book page 18 please? The pattern of classifier number 1. When you use the word harmony in Thai is key and close by a classifier. Example, how many Thai friends do you have? Subject of this sentence คุณมีเพื่อน have friends, and then how many is key, and then คนคุณมีเพื่อนคนไทยกี่คนคนไทยเจอเพื่อน next one, how many dogs does Andy have? Andy is subject of this sentence. Andy come first, and then he has dog. Andy มีหมา and then how many? กี่ classifier of the dog is ตัว Andy มีหมากี่ตัว next one, how many pizza did Ellen eat? Ellen, subject of the sentence, verb to eat กิน pizza in Thai accent pizza กี่ and then classifier the things that they cut into pieces, use the word ชิ้น Ellen กินพิซซ่ากี่ชิ้น how many shirts do you buy? You in Thai is คุณ to buy ซื้อ shirt เสื้อกี่ classifier for the shirt, the blouse is ตัว which is mean body, it's used as a classifier for the shirt. Can you try to make the sentence in Thai which use question with how many? You practice making the sentence and put in the comment, I can check for you. Number 2, when you answer to the questions like how many Thai friends do you have? คุณมีเพื่อนคนไทยกี่คน The answer is I have 5 Thai friends. Subject I, if you are man, use ผมมีเพื่อนคนไทย 5 is 5, and then classifier. Andy has 3 dogs. Andy มีหมาหมา is the noun and then number 3 3 classifier close the sentence ตัวแอนดี้มีหมา3 ตัว Alan eats 3 pieces of pizza Alan กิน what กินพิซซ่า number 3 ชิ้น is the classifier of pizza. Alright, say again. Ellen กินพิซซ่า3 ชิ้น How many shirts do you buy? I bought 2 shirts. ฉัน for lady speaker ฉันซื้อเสื้อ2 for 2 and then classifier ตัวฉันซื้อเสื้อ2 ตัว Alright, that is the way to ask how many and answer that to the question with noun. Number 3, whenever noun concern the number, you need classifier to put after the number. But in case that the number is not specified, like several, use the word like, also need classifier. Example, I have many Thai friends. Instead of number, we use the word like for several number. ผมมีเพื่อนคนไทยหลายคน and we have a lot of dogs. It's not specified like 3 dogs. Instead of number 3, we use the word like, but you still need classifier. And ดี้มีหมาหลายตัว and ดี้มีหมาหลายตัว I bought several shirts. ผมซื้อเสื้อหลายตัว Alan eat many pieces of pizza. Alan กินพิซซ่าหลายชิ้น I have many pens. ฉันมีปากกาหลายอัน I use อัน for a small item like pen. Okay, number 4, when you use question word which one, which in Thai is pronounced ไหน N A I rising tone ไหน so now plus classifier, put classifier in front of ไหน it's not the number, it's not the several number, so now we move the position of the classifier, put in front of the question word ไหน Example, which is your friend? Which one is your friend? เพื่อนคุณ your friends. Subject of this sentence is friend of you, is not you. So เพื่อน come first. เพื่อนคุณ classifier for people is คน and then put the question word ไหน at the end. Which one is your book? หนังสือคุณ หนังสือ come first and the owner come after. หนังสือคุณเล่มไหน Which shirt is nice? เสื้อตัวไหนสวยเสื้อ is the shirt and classifier for the shirt is ตัวเสื้อตัวไหนสวย Which shop has a good coffee? They ask about the coffee. กาแฟร้านไหนอร่อย So กาแฟ come first because they ask which shop is delicious. กาแฟร้านไหนอร่อย Okay, that is for an example how to use the classifier in Thai. More than the pattern, you need to remember the vocabulary. That is the classifier. I recommend nearly 30 classifier words which used in the common talk, and I would like you try to make the sentence exercise 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, I will show you how to pronounce in Thai in exercise 1, page 19. Exercise 1, please translate and answer the question in Thai. Number 1, how to pronounce in Thai. คุณอ่านหนังสือกี่เล่ม คุณอ่านหนังสือกี่เล่ม What is the question? You read book. How many? English is how many book have you read? Can you please answer? Number 2, เราจะไปดูหนังกันกี่คนเรา all of us จะไป will go ดูหนัง that is see the movie กัน whenever the action do together more than one person, we will close the action with the word กัน that means we do the action together เราจะไปดูหนังกันกี่คน how many so how many person will go to see the movie? Number 3, คุณสั่งข้าวกี่จานคุณสั่งข้าว which is mean order rice กี่จาน how many plates of rice did you order? Number 4, คุณดื่มน้ำกี่แก้ว you drink water คุณดื่มน้ำ how many glass That's mean how many glass of water we drink. Number 5, เขาไปภูเก็ตกี่วันเขา he or she go to Phuket how many days That's mean how many days does he go or does she go to Phuket That is exercise 1. Can you try to answer into time? Those pictures, if you would like to make a sentence, you can make a sentence in Thai with the number. Exercise 3, how to say the number in Thai. And exercise 4, I give you a classifier, so can you please use those classifiers, make a Thai sentence. Okay, I hope you enjoy my class and try to practice speaking Thai with Thai people every day. See you next lesson, lesson 10. Have a good day. Goodbye.